Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at. And I actually have some update to do for you guys. We are trading roughly in the region right now of 38, 39, slightly under 40,000. We have been today up to 34, 450 and actually have dropped down. As we switch to a 4-hour, we can actually see this very strong bearish candle saying there's too much of sell pressure at the top. Give me a minute. Let me see what's going on. Okay, so that's what's actually showing at 4-hour. If you look at 1 hour, we do see this tiny, I don't know what do you guys want to call it, but one thing's very obvious at 4-hour is we do have the shoulder, and possibly this is actually the head area. I wouldn't call this thing a head unless we come back one more time, but I'm not sure. So what actually happening with our trend going up? As you guys can see, the trend line going up is still there. So as long as we keep traveling up this trend line, we most likely is in a bull. We're going to be going up. But I have a feeling that we will break through it and actually come down. Now, and very common when something breaks out for it to actually come back and bounce back from the trend line. And the question is, if I have my trend line correctly, that means it will bounce and then come back up, traveling underneath this line. But will that happen? Let's see. But we also have a possibility of this actually coming down, building it up right under the trend line, and actually come down again. So right now we are kind of like a 50-50 situation, even though the more this head is going to build out, the more it's going to become obvious that we're going to have a shoulder and a drop. Very simple. So that's about what I see right now happening. We can see that on a 1 hour hour chart. We can also see that on a daily chart. It's just a little bit harder to see. As I mentioned yesterday, we might actually have on a 1 day chart this come down all the way down to 33,600 right before close, as an indication that this is a bearish run and will continue going down. Right now it just triggered my alarm clock at 33.9. Is trying to actually break up again. I'll keep you guys posted as more information becomes available.